Hey friends, are you ready to see what's in the latest Curiosities subscription bead box from John Bead? It's called Flora and Fauna. Let's jump in. Every month it is so exciting just opening the box to see what beads John Bead has stuffed inside this amazing subscription box. Let's take a look. The first thing you'll always see is the postcard representing the theme of the box with a wonderful description of the inspiration on the back. This month, it's Flora and Fauna, so think about all things plants and animals. I'm immediately attracted to this strand of fire and ice agate, 16mm round faceted beads, dyed yellow. Talk about a statement bead. Next, a huge bag of 12mm glass butterfly beads in ruby, olivine, aqua, rosaline, and crystal. John Bead is incredibly generous with their beads. You will not find these anywhere else. Next, this green gossamer bag is filled with check glass beads in green, pressed glass leaves in yellows, and more leaves in brown with gold accents. This olive bag has large, round check glass beads with a metallic copper streak. Just beautiful. Some Swarovski crystal vintage stones in blue zirconium. You could wrap these in wire. Here's a 5-inch strand of honeycombs and bees with turquoise patina and antique bronze details. Another strand of check glass beads in assorted shapes in pink cotton candy. Here's a bag of very happy 15mm glass pressed flowers in pink and light pink. I remember finding these in the warehouse during my hunt. They are antique glass pressed ladybugs in light blue and two-tone blue with gold accents. Here is a surprise hummingbird ornament and some tiny colorful heart beads. Here's another strand of check glass beads. It's 7 inches long in mixed vanilla swirl. I love that John Bead includes their exclusive strands. Just these strands alone would be more at retail than the monthly subscription. They've been buying beads from all over the world for 70 years, and you'll find things in these boxes that you won't find anywhere else. To stick to the Flora theme, here's a selection of glass press leaves in yellow and green and in emerald with half coating. In this package, being protected by tiny pom-poms, we have a glass lamp flower bead and a fancy glass leaf pendant in blue. These are flower-shaped metal blinks in brass. And because John Bead wants you to start your projects right away, they've included some elastic stretch bead cord in black, some ring blanks, perfect for a beaded ring. Here are some toggles with extenders in antique silver, a perfect glass heart pendant with some beading needles, bell caps in gold, 1-inch silver head pins, and some silver oval jump rings. Finally, the Flora and Fauna sticker and collectible pin for your jacket. I couldn't wait to get started, and the first thing I made with this kit was a beaded garden ring with the pressed glass leaves and flowers and a light blue ladybug for luck. I promise you will not find another subscription bead box that is as wonderful as the John Bead Curiosities subscription box. I'm going to leave a link for this subscription box in the description below. There are only so many, and they are absolutely fantastic.